Okay, part 284C3m1b7c8e13c6b. Line 22f1fa19c3m1b7c8e13c6b. Quantum Transport Fowler-Nordheim Formula UFO 5G Wow Seti. There's the alien radio signal, and this is the Fowler-Nordheim Equation formulas to rotate through space with the speed of light transport UFO CORE spaceship formulas. Okay, January 1st, 2013. Today's January 3rd. The Fowler-Nordheim equation from the wiki from the previous video is line 22f1fa19c3m1b7c8e13c6a Higgs field Zener Fowler-Nordheim equation UFO 5G Wow Seti. The original keyword came from the December 7th, 2012 video. Line 22f1fa19c3m1b7c8e13a Quantum Transport Nanodevices UFO 5G Wow Seti, and it came from the keyword field emission. Okay, so the keyword Fowler-Nordheim equation, this was the equation we were looking at here. January 1st, 2013, my thoughts. It brings to mind the 60QUJ5 alien radio signal called WOW. SETI, NASA's discovery from 1977, is proving to be quite useful for alien technology so far. February 2012, it tells us about the Higgs boson signal and field, and then we hear about its proof June 2012 from CERN. December 2012, Xenon X-ray laser beam technology makes a breakthrough, and magnets are used to create antimatter. All formulas for these things are found in line 22's data of the WOW alien radio signal. Let's look at your Fowler-Nordheim equation from wiki. I got a formula of ideas to add to your Fowler-Nordheim equation that comes to mind from the universe arrow. J is joule from 60QUJ5 alien radio signal. E is thought. See 60QUJ5 breakdown and cross-reference to add to this equation. A is the 5 axial forces plus new bosons from Higgs mass particle test results found in the WOW alien radio signal formulas in line 22's data. B is the weak boson Z and W. And E equals electron. Use a neutrino that spins and collides into a neutron. Creates symmetry with fermions and leptons with 2/3 spin power to them. Minus B Fn is minus W plus minus Z bosons. Fermions, neutrinos, split, quasi-particle, liquid argon gas, cooled plasma, laser beams, X-rays, microwaves, laser beam inventions, turbine in earlier videos before line 22, lines 15 to 20 in the WOW data. So quote diagrams from blog. The original Fowler-Nordheim formula assumes a triangular shape of the energy barrier. This is motivated by the fact that only tunneling at strong electric fields was studied. The WKB approximation 3.55 for the transmission coefficient reads as follows. Okay, there's the equation. Equation commonly known as the Fowler-Nordheim formula. Note that there is a difference between the effective electron mass in the electrode, MEFF, and the effective electron mass in the dielectric, MDIEL. And it's from www.iue.tuwien.ac.at. Figure A1, energy barrier in the Fowler-Nordheim tunneling left and direct tunneling right regime. So it looks like. Quote from blog, the left integral represents tunneling current from electron states that are low in energy and face a high energy barrier. Hence, as a second approximation, the left integral is neglected. Still, it is necessary to insert an expression for the transmission coefficient in the right integral. For a single layer dielectric, two shapes are possible, triangular and trapezoidal. First, the formula will be derived assuming a triangular shape. So that's from www.iue.tuwien.ac.at. Field emission, also called Fowler-Nordheim tunneling, is the process whereby electrons tunnel through a barrier in the presence of a high electric field. This quantum mechanical tunneling process is an important mechanism for thin barriers as those in metal semiconductor junctions on highly doped semiconductors. The tunneling current is obtained from the product of the carrier charge, velocity, and density. The velocity equals the Richardson velocity, the velocity with which, and on average, the carriers approach the barrier, where the carrier density equals the density of available electrons multiplied with the tunneling probability, yielding this. Okay? The tunneling current, therefore, depends exponentially on the barrier height to the 3-2 power. And that's from ece.colorado.edu. January 2nd, my thoughts. Looking at the tunneling current equation of J(n) equals QV(Rn), Formula 1 rotation outer shell of UFO spaceship design in WOW lines 1 to 15 videos. Joules, electron neutrinos equals Q, quantum energy, WOW formulas. V equals velocity, R is radiative transport energy, and N is neutrino laser beam formulas found in WOW's data. The fermions, lepton, split, collision, quadruple, I don't know if it's quadruple, magnetic force energies, liquid argon gas, cooled plasma, laser beam pencil, obsidian mirrors, and superalloys listed from lines 1 to 22 in WOW alien radio signal data videos. Field emission would be the Higgs field plus the photon transport energy plus the rotation of a UFO spaceship equals force field, adding the Fowler-Nordheim tunneling, electrons, tunnel, barrier, dark matter particles, orbit rings, Minkowski space, high electric field, sun, Higgs field. Dark matter or sun would be solar power, okay? So I better add that on there. Solar panels. Yeah. Plus the Higgs field. Add dark matter energy generated with electrical laser pulses by beams from fiber optic wires that connect with obsidian mirrors on the inside of the rotating shell and outside of the core of the UFO spaceship. The alien technology is from Arrow. Using a semiconductor, formulas and inventions are given in line 16 to 22 WOW alien radio signal data. Cross-reference the WOW data using Google in the next video. Thanks for watching.